morning to the one all, very good morning to the one all present here. I am Mrs. Dipti Kulkarni. Want to share with you some part of my life story. Actually, I belongs to the RSS family. My father was Taluka Karyavaha. Every day I used to go to Shakha. In summer, there were camps of 21 days. I attended that camp many times. I learned many things there, self-discipline, all works done by us. On the whistle only, we used to get up early in the morning at 4 o'clock. At 6 o'clock, we were ready for the exercise, and this routine will continue up till 9 o'clock night. There was one Bauddhic session of 1 hour. Many guests were coming there to teach us, to tell us, and I am proud that I belongs to the RSS family. After that, I got married. When I was pregnant, I came to maternal home. I used to write letters. Many things I kept collectively. That time when I went to maternal home, I took out all these stuffs, read all the notes collected from the Bauddhic session in the camp. I took out all the things. That time I read about Gargi. And one thought came in my mind that if I had a daughter, I will call her as Gargi. Now what about Gargi? Why I am impressed about Gargi? Some things I want to share with you. Now Gargi was a great philosopher. Gargi was a great philosopher. She was Brahmavadini. What is Brahmavadini? She was knowing, she had great knowledge of Brahma Vidya. Now, she also done many impossible things. She has managed to awaken her Kundalini. From that, she experienced the existence of soul or Atma. Now, once the King Janaka of Videha plant a Rajasvi Yagya. In that, he called all the scholars of that time. Gargi was one of the part of that. He decided to select a scholar from all the scholars present over there. Also, he announced prize of 1,000 cows, and on the horn of cows, he kept 10 crowns of solid gold. Yajnavalkya was present there. He decided himself to be winner. All other scholars were furious with this decision of the Yajnavalkya. All asked some questions to the Yajnavalkya, but all questions answers Yajnavalkya gave. Then Gargi started questioning him, but Yajnavalkya at last failed to answer Gargi's questions. Therefore, King Janaka declared Gargi as winner. Before that, Yajnavalkya told his disciples to take all the cows, herd of cows at home. Now, all cows, 1,000 cows were of Gargi. Gargi was one of the Navratnas in the court of King Janaka. Inspired with this story, I call my daughter's name Gargi. All the daughters are cute. My daughter is also cute. I am also one of the daughter of my mom and dad. Also, from these, what I want to tell you are these Kangana Ranaut, Madhuri Dixit, Katrina Kaif are the icons of our kids? Are the icons of our children? Or Khans are icons of our kids? No. Tell all the students all these stories, all ancient stories of these great philosopher, great woman, great philosopher. One shlok I want to tell you. अहिल्या द्रौपदी सीता तारा मंदोदरी तथा पंचकन्या स्मरे नित्यम महापापकनाशनम. Why we have to recall these great women? Because they have great character. Their character gives us strength. We can be away from ill thoughts. This is also one of the best example who shout towards the place of woman in the world. Earlier also there was place for women. There was no discrimination between men and women. Thank you very much.
Thank you.